There's nothing better than the car world. There really isn't. She's so finicky. When you look at old vehicles, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, look at the lines on those things. Think about what's going through their head when they're designing that car. Oh, this thing needs a paint job. 18 years old, this paint. The old Impalas and some of the old Mopars or the old Plymouths and just some of those cars, it's all about the lines and the bubble windows, and they're sexy as hell. The old saying is, wax on, wax off. When you love cars, you love cars, especially old stuff. It gets inside of you. I think some of the best people in the world are the car culture. You ask anybody, walk up to their car and ask them about their car, and they'll tell you everything. We could have used a shinier car.
Can we pull it out?
Bring it in.
I'm not.
Bring it in.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna
You're
hit
fine.
the wall.
Just cut her over this way a bit. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Good. Straighten it. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Good. We got her in. Look at that. She fits like a glove.
Our marriage would definitely not last if we didn't both love cars as much as we do. Or sorry, if I didn't love them as much as Glen does.
Shall we?
Thank you. So maybe he found his perfect match after all.
All right.